Hey everyone, so I really want to thank you for joining the community. Now let's actually head over there and check out what we're going to do. So you'll sort of come to a page like this and there's a few things going on. So the first thing is there's a 5-day backtesting challenge, right? And so this is the calendar event here. You'll probably see this in our calendar, so you can just go to the calendar and sort of find the next one, sign up, join the call, and hopefully I'll see you there. So let's go back. What you can do also is in our classroom, we have a little course here that will explain everything to do with the backtesting challenge, little explainers, the metrics and all that, the data, everything, Python boilerplate. So please do check that out. Then following on from that, we'll head back to the classroom. And now, so for those who went to sort of the more premium VIP tiers, we have the courses. So we've got 7-day trading system, code class, and you'll see code class events in the calendar as well. And we've got VIP, and then the trading systems courses, the code expert, and some of the legacy courses down here. And also the backtest challenge premium, whereby I will sort of give you data, a bit more Python code, so you can get a better start on things. So that is the overview of the community. Please also do go to the community and look at all these tabs here and just go to the say hi tab and say hi. So just say hi, introduce yourself. I'd love to get to know you. And also just send me a message. Just say, hey, I joined the community. This is where I'm at. This is what I want to do. So I'd just love to hear from you. But if you've got any questions, do send me a message, and I hope you enjoy Coder Trader.